Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, ayan, gagawa po tayo ng banana cake. Ayan, simple recipe guys. Ayan, and these are all my ingredients. Yan. Diyan na lahat ang ating mga kailangan guys. Ayan. These are the banana. Ayan. May salt tayo, konti. Ayan. And sugar. And this is the butter. Oil, of course. And this is the vanilla essence. Ayan ang aking baking soda, baking powder. And this is the fresh milk. And also our flour. Ayan. And there we are guys. These are all my ingredients. Pinainit na natin yung butter guys. Then lagay natin yung banana. Ayan. Alisin ko na yan dyan sa kalan guys. Ayan. Dapat nadurog na yung yung saging. Ayan. Luto natin ng konti guys. Ito naman yung flour natin guys. Yung lahat ng ingredients na yan. Ayan, add na lang natin ng vanilla essence. Para mabango. Ayan, scramble natin. Mix natin. Ayan. Nilagyan ko siya pangalan ng guys, yung peanut. Ayan. Hope to see you again on my next video guys. Thank you so much and goodbye.